Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to check the 4G plus support test between OnePlus 9R versus the iQ7 device. So by using the two different applications. So before I did try to use only the NetMonster application in every video I made. So as you can see friends, you can check so many videos I did upload on the iQ7 device recently, comparing with plenty of other smartphones. You can check this biggest comparison, you will get a clear idea friends. So a lot of users, they did ask me one question that try to use this kind of application, so which is a RX monitor, and can you show us the data? So that is what I'm trying to do right now in the real time in front of the camera, so you'll be able to see. And one more disclaimer is that this 4G plus signals depends upon one location to other location and one SIM to other SIM. So some users, they are getting 4G plus and some users, they are not getting 4G plus. But in my location at this point, the Jio is supported with the 4G plus. So that is what I am 100% 1000% confident this Jio SIM is supported. So now we need to know whether the phones are actually capable of utilizing this 4G plus or not. So that is my main point of making this video friends. So in case if the phone doesn't support, I do get plenty of comments that my phone is supporting, why is not yours? So maybe it's a fault with the unit or some kind of software issue, but still I'm waiting for the software update to fix, but still I did not get any kind of updates. But let's see what about the other phones. So if there is no 4G plus support, then other phones should also not be able to support the 4G plus. So that is what my point friends. So let's see whether this phone will be able to detect or not, and I'll try to use only the application. So this is not the speed test application which I'm trying to do right now. So this is just normal 4G plus comparison test I'm trying to do. So which phone will show the 4G plus, so that is by using these two applications. So that is what I'll try to do friends. And one more thing, I'm not completely against iQ7. So if you ask me which phone would you prefer between two phones, I'll prefer iQ7 only friends, because I do like the performance and camera in this phone than any other smartphone which I'm having right now. So that is what the thing. So don't think I'm pointing out at iQ7 only every time. So I'm just making you aware of what is happening with the smartphone brandings. So right now in this OnePlus 9R, you can be able to see the 4G plus signal on the top, as you can see. So in case even if you don't see any kind of 4G plus signal, so try to use these two applications and we'll be able to check what is happening. So let me try with the first application, NetMonster. As you can see friends, right now NetMonster application I'm trying to use, and on the top you won't be able to see any kind of 4G plus aggregation coming at the moment. So just now I got the 4G plus aggregation and LTE as well, as you can see friends clearly. So this is a OnePlus 9R. So same Jio SIM I'm trying to use, you can clearly see. So now it's gone, and even the NetMonster application is not showing. So let me try to open the RX monitor application as well, so you will be able to see what is happening. And as you can see friends, so 2CA, it's detected the carrier aggregation as well. Even I'll try to take the screenshot of this one and even the carrier aggregation as well. So RX monitor. So let me try to take screenshot now, sorry. Yes, as you can see friends, I've taken a screenshot of same Jio SIM I'm trying to use right now. So you got the signal 4G plus in this OnePlus 9R. It's working successfully friends. So even if you're using Jio 4G SIM. So right now in my location, Jio is the one which will be supported with the 4G. So other SIM cards won't support the 4G plus. So only the Jio will be supported with the 4G plus at the moment in my location. So that's why in every test I'm trying to include the Jio SIM card test only. I'm trying to use same SIM card friends. So I'm not trying to skip or pause this video at all. So I'm trying to use in the real time situation only. So in the real time I'm trying to change the SIM, as you can see here. Let me try to show you clearly. I'm trying to use only one SIM card. So this is what my question is. If 4G plus is supported in this OnePlus 9R, why it's not supported in this iQ7? So I know you are getting 4G plus. I know, I do believe, but why right now in my location, why I am not getting the 4G plus? So that is what my question is. And I did send all this kind of video links to the iQ team as well, iQ7 team. I'm still waiting for the response of what they will be saying. So right now I did install the 4G SIM card in this phone, and you will be able to see the 4G but not 4G plus at the moment, as you can see. Let me try to open the application. So first let me try to open the NetMonster application. So it's searching. So let me try to let's fix it, and let me try to turn on the location. Obviously location is off. Let me try to go back. As you can see friends, here is the details. So right now you're getting only LTE and 1800. As you can see, there is no 4G plus which is displaying in this NetMonster application, and in this RX monitor application as well. So as you can see friends, the same SIM card I'm trying to use, so which is not showing you the carrier aggregation. As you can see friends clearly, the same SIM card I'm trying to use, and let me try to open the screenshot which I have taken, so you might be able to understand it clearly. So what I'm trying to say, as you can see friends, same Jio SIM. So let me try to take the screenshot here as well. As you can see friends, so same Jio SIM I am trying to use in both phones, and OnePlus 9R is showing the carrier aggregation clearly. You can see here friends, which is kind of supported, but this Jio 4G is not supported. I'm not sure so what is happening, but definitely I did try to use the vSIM. So vSIM is unfortunately not supported even in the OnePlus 9R at the moment in my location. As I said, it depends upon the location to location and type of SIM you're using as well. So definitely friends, keep this in mind, and in case if you're planning to buy the IQ7 device, so I'll definitely advise you one thing: try to check with all SIM cards whatever you're having with the friends or everyone, and try to see with what SIM you are getting the 4G plus, and also compare with other smartphones whether they are getting 4G plus or not. In case if you don't get any 4G plus, then you can return the mobile phone and you can buy the other phones which are actually supported with the 4G plus, like Mi 11X or maybe OnePlus 9R. So that is what review I can give you friends at the moment. And I do know a lot of users, out of 100 users, maybe I did get the message from 20 to 30 users saying their phone is getting 4G plus. So that is what even I am in the kind of dilemma. That's why I'm not declaring that this phone is not supported at all. So only thing I'm saying, at this point in my location using the Jio SIM, it's not supported. So that is what I'm trying to say friends. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a final thought which I thought of giving by using the two different applications, so which a lot of users are waiting actually to compare RX Monitor particularly friends. So this is a quick review on this both phones, and make sure you hit that subscribe and definitely do let me in the comments below. So as I said, finally friends, I am not pointing out at IQ7, I'm just trying to be showing you the facts overall. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.